North American bombers approach, the commentator announces.
Bombas sobre a cidade de Kahn.
He identifies this action as over the city of Kahn. States the narrator, German pursuit planes fly to encounter enemy formations. American air forces attack over the Bay of the Seine. Commentator explains, the last to abandon the city of Kahn, where the bombing caused great destruction. This whole sequence is designed to develop the theme of what the Germans call the meaning of Allied liberation. German divisions on their way to surround the enemy, states a commentator. An SS armed division in combat. He continues, the objective, to conquer the port, was not achieved. This attempt caused many deaths and much destruction in Normandy.
A conquista de porto aproveitado. A morte ceifa cruelmente vidas humanas nas férteis paragens da Normandia. Correntemente descobrem-se nos campos.
Airborne and paratroopers found in the fields are taken prisoner.
Tanques americanos do tipo Sherman foram inteiramente desbaratados por ocasião de uma tentativa de rompimento. Tanques em chamas beiram o caminho de batalha. Três sobreviventes num tanque americano do tipo Sherman. Carros blindados alemães avançam. Também no setor da BAYEUX é detido o avanço inimigo.
The commentator, the enemy advance is also held back in the BAYEUX sector. He concludes, The streets of the small coastal villages serve as combat arenas. The decisive battle for Europe has begun.